Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Imagine stepping off a plane in a bustling foreign city, excitement buzzing in your heart. Meet Anna, a bright-eyed traveler with dreams of exploring new cultures. As she stands in the airport, her excitement is palpable, but so is a hint of anxiety. This is her first time so far from home, and the sounds of a language she barely knows fill the air. Anna's first task is seemingly simple yet daunting, getting from the airport to her hotel. She approaches the taxi stand, armed only with a few phrases she practiced on the plane. "Hello, I need to go to the hotel, please," she says slowly, hoping her accent doesn't confuse the driver. The driver nods, but his quick words in response sound like a riddle to her ears. She smiles, nods, and hopes for the best as they start moving. Anna watches the city whirl by, feeling a mix of thrill and nervousness. With a smile and her travel guide in hand, Anna is ready to dive into her adventure, despite the language barrier. The next morning, Anna decides to explore the local market. With a small list of phrases and a big smile, she steps into the bustling scene, eager to try out her newly acquired language skills. Her first stop? A colorful fruit stand bursting with the fresh smells of the morning harvest. Anna points to some shiny apples and confidently says, "I'd like 2, please," in the local language. But instead of apples, the vendor hands her 2 large ripe mangoes. It turns out, her pronunciation was a bit off. The word for apple sounded surprisingly similar to mango. Both Anna and the vendor share a laugh over the mix-up. The vendor, a kindly old man with a gentle smile, takes a moment to correct her pronunciation. He repeats the word slowly, ensuring Anna can mimic the sounds accurately. Grateful Anna tries again, this time successfully purchasing the apples. With a bag full of fresh fruits and a new word learned, Anna feels her confidence grow. Later, Anna meets her new neighbors. In her new home, understanding the local way of saying hello becomes a polite puzzle for Anna. Here, people greet each other differently than back in her hometown. At first, Anna feels a bit lost. She waves and smiles broadly, but notices her neighbors have a more reserved approach. They nod slightly and smile softly, a greeting that speaks volumes in their culture. One afternoon, while Anna is out for a walk, she encounters her neighbor, Mr. Lee. Seeing her confusion, he kindly stops to show her the preferred local greeting. He demonstrates a gentle nod and a soft smile, explaining that this subtle gesture is a sign of respect and friendliness here. Anna tries it herself, nodding and smiling just as Mr. Lee showed her. He nods back, pleased with her quick learning. Grateful for the guidance, Anna now feels more prepared to meet new people. Anna receives an invitation to a local festival. Excitement bubbles up as she reads the colorful handwritten card. The festival, a vibrant annual event, promises music, dance, and a chance to bond with her new neighbors. At the heart of the celebration is the community's rich heritage. Anna, eager to dive into this experience, decides to go all in. She picks out a traditional outfit from a local market, practicing the few phrases of the local language she has learned. "Hello, how are you?" she rehearses with a smile. The festival is a symphony of sights and sounds. Drums beat rhythmically as dancers whirl in bright costumes. Anna joins in, clumsily at first, but soon with more confidence. She tries local dishes, each flavor a new discovery, and chats with the people around her. Their welcoming nods and smiles make her feel less like an outsider and more like a guest of honor. With each dance and shared laugh, Anna finds herself more at home in this new world. Encouraged by her experiences, Anna decides to take a local language class. As she steps into the classroom, she feels a mix of excitement and nervousness. Learning a new language is not just about mastering words and grammar. It's about unlocking a door to a new world, where every phrase learned is a step closer to feeling at home. In the class, Anna finds herself surrounded by others who are just as eager as her to dive into this new linguistic adventure. The teacher greets them with a warm smile and starts with simple greetings. "Hello, how are you?" May seem basic, but for Anna, it's the beginning of new connections. As the days pass, Anna stumbles over complex sentences and tricky pronunciations. Yet, with each mistake, she learns. Her classmates laugh along with her, not at her, turning errors into shared moments of learning and joy. Language bridges gaps, and Anna feels those gaps closing as she learns more each day. 3 months have passed since Anna's arrival. As we've followed her journey, we've seen a remarkable transformation. Initially overwhelmed by the unfamiliar, Anna has now found her footing in this vibrant new culture. Let's reflect on her progress. Anna began by attending local events, an effort that helped her connect with the community. By joining these gatherings, from neighborhood festivals to local workshops, she not only learned about traditional customs, but also shared her own experiences. This mutual exchange has been key to her integration. Language, once a barrier, has become a bridge for Anna. With every word she learns, every sentence she speaks, her confidence grows. Conversations that once seemed like daunting tasks are now enjoyable exchanges with friends. Speaking of friends, Anna has formed meaningful relationships. These friendships have provided her with a support network, essential for anyone navigating a new environment. Anna now navigates her new life with ease, her initial fears replaced by a spirited curiosity. From confused and cautious to confident and curious, Anna's journey is one many can relate to. Navigating a new cultural landscape can be likened to learning to dance a new rhythm. At first, the steps may seem foreign, but with time and practice, they become part of your own rhythm. Anna's story beautifully illustrates this transformation through her experiences, from initial missteps to becoming a part of her new community. Let's revisit the key lessons from Anna's adventures. First and foremost, learning the local language is not just about words and grammar, it's about opening doors to hearts and minds. Simple phrases like thank you and please can go a long way in showing respect and eagerness to integrate. Remember, it's not about perfection but effort. Understanding and respecting local customs is another significant step. Each culture has its unique way of life, and being mindful of these differences is crucial. Whether it's navigating the norms of politeness or participating in local festivals, showing respect for these customs demonstrates your willingness to embrace your new surroundings. Participation in community life is perhaps the most enriching experience. It allows for a deeper connection and understanding of the cultural intricacies. Anna's invitation to the local celebration was a turning point, offering her an insider's view and an opportunity to form lasting bonds. For those finding themselves in similar shoes as Anna, here are a few tips. Be open to new experiences. They are the gateways to understanding and acceptance. Be proactive in your learning, seek opportunities to practice the language, and engage with the locals. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Cultural adaptation is a journey, not a sprint. In conclusion, just as Anna did, approach each day with a curious mind and a willing heart. The challenges of cultural differences are surmountable with the right attitude and actions. Embrace the new and let the world surprise you. Just like Anna, you too can find a home away from home.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A1. Smile. Smile, to make a happy or friendly expression where the corners of your mouth curve up. Example, a smile is universal. When you smile at someone in a foreign country, it shows friendliness. Gesture. Gesture, a movement of the hands, arms, or head to express an idea or feeling. Example, learn the common gestures of the country you are visiting to avoid misunderstandings. Learn. Learn to gain knowledge or understanding of something through experience or study. Example, try to learn a few basic phrases in the local language to improve your social interactions. Invite. Invite, to ask someone to go somewhere or do something, especially in a formal or polite way. Example, if you're invited to someone's home, it's a great opportunity to experience local customs and deepen friendships. Respect. Respect, admiration felt or shown for someone or something that you believe has good ideas or qualities. Example, show respect for local traditions and practices, even if they are different from your own.